This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Chinese pepper steak. I have some sliced beef here. They are sliced from a piece of chuck tender that I have refrigerated for 2 hours. This makes it semi-solid and easier to slice. Look at the grain of the beef and slice it at a 90-degree angle to the grain. This makes the beef a lot more tender. To the sliced beef, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. One tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. 1 teaspoon of black pepper that has been coarsely ground. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. The baking soda will act as a tenderizer. If you have a tougher piece of meat, double it and use 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda instead. Massage the beef till all the marinade has been absorbed. If the beef feels dry, add 2 tablespoons of water. When all the marinade has been absorbed, add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Continue to mix to coat the beef with the cornstarch. The cornstarch will help lock in the juices and helps prevent drying when you're cooking it. We will also need some red and green bell peppers. Trim the white parts off and cut them into pieces. I have always felt that the red, green and yellow bell peppers are a bit of a Western thing. So to make it more Chinese, use red and green chilies instead. Also, slice up a medium onion and roughly chop up 2 cloves of garlic. For the sauce, you'll need 4 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix this well. In a pan over medium-high heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, put in the beef. Spread the beef out in 1 layer at the bottom of the pan. When the bottom of the beef is brown, flip them over and brown the other side as well. In the end, your beef should look something like this. Now, remove the beef and set it aside. I would usually tell you to push the meat to the side of the pan and fry the other ingredients. Not this time. Because you don't want the beef to overcook. When the beef is overcooked, it becomes hard and dry. Next, lower your heat to medium and add a little more oil if necessary. Fry the garlic, green and red peppers, and the onions. Stir fry them till the onions become translucent and soften. This will take about 2 minutes. Then, add in the beef. And the sauce. Stir fry everything together till the sauce thickens. Turn off the heat, taste, and adjust for seasoning. This is Chinese pepper steak.